It is important to maintain your soffit and fascia because that's what allows your attic to breathe. With vented soffit and fascia, it'll be maintenance free and also exchange the air in the attic to keep that temperature within about 10 degrees of the outside air. Soffit and fascia helps the attic area exchange the air in the attic. So that will keep the temperature down in the summer and keep it cold in the winter, as well as circulating that air so that there's no possibility for moisture to form in the soffit. If the fascia is rotted, we cannot attach our gutter product. That's why we inspect every single job to make sure the soffit and fascia are sound before we install our gutter shutter maintenance-free system. Vented soffits will help eliminate ice dams in the winter and exchange the air in the summer to keep the moisture down.